It's raining really heavily. It's really looking beautiful. The weather is amazing and I am really loving this. It's so foggy that nothing is visible. It's a beautiful morning. Just take a look how rainy and green everything is looking, and I'm having a watermelon. I'll start my day with a watermelon right now, and then after that I'll have my tea or coffee and breakfast. Starting by making some vada sambar. So for that, this vada sambar is more of a Mangalorean type of vada sambar, which is also called ambade sambar. So I have some split mung bean over here. So I'll just add half a cup of split mung bean to my cup. So it's just half a cup. I'll add this into my bowl. So full 1 cup of split black gram dal, that is urad dal, which we call in Hindi. So I'll add this into my cup and I'll soak them. I'll wash them first and I'll soak them in water. So I have washed my grams and I have kept it to soak in the water. In the meantime, I'm making my sambar. For that I have cut some vegetables over here. So there are some pumpkins. Take a look. Pumpkin, there is this red pumpkin, white pumpkin, some tomatoes. So I'll put all of this into my pot for boiling. And I have already chopped some ginger and some green chilies are there. So I'll add this too into my pot. And I'll add a few pods of garlic. So I have some peeled garlic over here. So around 2 to 3 garlics I'll add, and I'll add enough water and salt and keep it for boiling. So I'll add water enough to soak it completely. Now I'll add some salt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder or paprika powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. And I'll give it a mix. And I'll keep it on the stove to let it boil. As my vegetables were boiling for the last 5 minutes, I have some leftover dal from yesterday night. So I'll add this. So this is, we can add around half a bowl of pre-cooked tur dal. So this is another lentil which is called tur dal. So we can add this into our pot of boiling vegetables. Now to this I will add around 2 teaspoons of sambar masala powder. So I have the sambar masala powder. Roughly I am adding around 2 teaspoons of sambar masala. Yes. Now I'll allow it to boil some more along with the sambar masala. And after this, after around 1 or 2 boils, I'll give it a good tempering. I'll cover the lid and allow it to cook. So look, for the last 10 minutes our sambar has been boiling and now it's almost done. So in this stage I'll add some tamarind pulp. So I'll add all the tamarind pulp into it, and I'll add some molasses or jaggery. So I have some jaggery and molasses, so I'm adding that. And I will give it a good mix, and now the only thing left is the tempering. My sambar is ready. And in the meantime my lentils have been soaking and it has become a little bit moist and fluffy. So I can definitely grind this, but not in this much water. I'll remove some of the water out. The water should be really less. While soaking we can put that much water, but while grinding we should remove the water because the fritters should not become too watery. It should be really crunchy and dry. So I'll put all these lentils into my blender, and into this I'll have to add some ginger and one green chili. So I'll add this into my blender and I'll blend this into a smooth paste along with some salt. So I'll add some salt too into this. 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'll blend this into a smooth paste and quickly make fritters and eat it with my sambar. So let me temper my sambar first. So my paste is ready. Just take a look. It has to be this thick. Now to this I'll add 1 teaspoon of baking soda so that it fluffs up. So I'll have to give it a good mix, and I'll start pouring this into my hot oil. I've already kept the oil to heat. So I'll pour the fritters into my hot oil and start making fritters. So fritters will be really loose when it will be frying in the oil, and it will really fluff up very quickly because it's made from this split black gram, that is urad dal. Urad dal is very light and fluffy, and it really turns out to be really fluffy. So eating this really gives a lot of crispiness. So for the tempering I need some curry leaves. I'll pluck it from my plant over here. I've got some curry leaf plant, so I'll take some over here, wash it and use it. So these are organic curry leaves which I have grown myself, and it is really aromatic. Look at all the fresh curry leaves. They are looking really awesome and very inviting. Look at my amazing vadas. They are looking so good. Absolutely beautifully fried. So this is how they should be looking. And now we'll pour some sambar over it before we start eating it. My sambar, my vadas and my sambar vada was ready in just hardly 20 minutes, and I didn't even struggle to make it. It was so simple, and I didn't even have to plan one night before. I made it in the morning itself after seeing the beautiful weather. So that's how you should plan your breakfast. A bird has come on my balcony. Look at this. Let me go very slowly. Hey buddy, hey Maina. This is a Maina bird. It is taking shelter in my balcony. I think it's a little scared too, but I'll not show it off. Let it have fun. Oh, it's gone. Oh, lovely. I really love this. So I'm having my breakfast with a lot of peace and tranquility and enjoying the monsoon weather outside, and it's a blessing to eat all this stuff during the monsoon, and I'm totally enjoying it. This is amazing. Perfect. My cup of tea and just me. This is the most beautiful time of the day, really.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.